Hello and welcome to my look at Forex.com. Forex.com is a Forex and CFD. It's metals only. Brokerage is owned by Gain Capital. Founded in '99, it has offered traders around the world access to a multitude of financial markets through some of its back offices, as well as Forex through Forex.com, providing liquidity to both retail and institutional traders alike. It's based out of the United States, so that means it has a high bar of regulation to cross. Now, Forex.com has three different accounts. There's the standard account, which is pretty much what you're used to. It's not fixed spreads, but it's the typical two to three pips on major pairs type of spread. Commission accounts will be as low as zero point 0.2 pips on the euro dollar as an example, but they also charge $5 for every 100,000 traded. So it kind of comes down to whether you're a scalper or not, basically. And then there's the direct market access account, and this is commission only. It's direct liquidity into the liquidity pools that they deal with, the liquidity providers. So unfortunately, you can't trade less than 100,000, so you need to be a high volume trader, and you should have at least 25,000 in the account. Now, notice there are no minimums to open an account. It's just suggested, and these two here are suggested at 1,000. The spreads and commissions, like I said, are pretty tight. They're pretty standard in the standard account, hence the name. Commission account, like I said, is a little bit cheaper as far as the spreads. You can see some of the typical spreads. You know, Kiwi dollar 1.7. That's not too bad. Pound, it's a little bit less than a pip. Over here in the standard, typical 1.8 in the pound, can be as low as 1.4. Euros typical 1.3, can be as low as 1.1. It just kind of depends on liquidity conditions. And here in the direct market access account, like I said, is completely different. It'll show you the bids and the offers. This is a professional grade type of account that routes trades to liquidity providers. Commission $60 per million if you trade between $0 and $1 million of monthly. It's going to be just for the specific higher end trader here. You can see that the spread is dirt cheap. It's 0.3 pips on dollar yen. And then, like I said, the commissions will be $60 per million traded. It's only for certain traders, though. The leverage is, it's U.S. leverage, so it's 150, $1 or 1 to 50 on many of the major pairs as regulated in America. It's 120 for some of the other exotics, like a euro yen type thing. The platforms are, they're MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader Web, which is kind of a neat version of that. You have the apps that come with it, so that's an extra. Correlation matrix, alarm manager, correlation trader, that type of thing, sentiment trader. They do have the advanced trading platform here, which is their proprietary trading platform, and it's a pretty good platform. I know it's been around for a while. It's basically made for active traders, a lot of hot button features, if you will. Now, as far as the extras are concerned, they have a lot of videos and different, fact sheets like this. They have courses, they have chart basics, they have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, so you can click fundamental analysis, and then you can read all about it. It's pretty strong. And then, of course, they have market analysis. webinars and the like with professionals, a lot of which are well known around the financial industry. So definitely, I mean, you can't really go wrong with Forex.com. It's a huge trader brokerage out of New York City, highly regulated, owned by a company that's even bigger. Does have the ability to trade, or to get you, I should say, into futures. You can see gold and silver at spot, but you can go to futures and futures options, and you can open up futures online, which is a subsidy of Forex.com.